Hello everybody, my name is Delphine Baudouin. I am Managing Director at K.I.T Group France. When going for a digital event, you have to keep in mind your targets. You want to deliver one-shot content because you have new science to present. Are you trying to gather your community and have great interaction among them? Or do you want to feed your educational platform and libraries with content? According to the formats and content you want to deliver, then you'll have diverse technical solutions, from a free, easy-to-use software up to a complex production. Going for a digital event is less about replicating your physical event than trying to explore the new opportunities offered by the technology, the communication, the metrics of a digital event. For some of us, it may be a challenge to adapt our mindset, but at the same time, it's a very exciting step to do, to look forward and embrace the new horizon of development that are offered by the digital experience.